So 2 days ago, I traveled to Kwara State to explore another remote part of Nigeria. The journey was so long. It was so long that I began to ask myself at a point that, when am I going to get this place? And get there far. The distance is not Keremi. Shemon Kotonje Keremi. We went very far. I mean, Lagos to far. Very far. We went deep into the farthest innermost part of Nigeria. It was as though we were visiting the end of the world, or probably we're looking for some elusive indigenes of the world and we couldn't locate them, so we had to keep going. At a point, I slept off, then I woke up and I realized we were still on the road. As soon as my eyes were actively open and I became conscious again, something interesting got my attention. The hills. They slept comfortably and conveniently like bed of ridges prepared for plants to survive. And I began to visualize myself frolicking around atop the tender surfaces. I watched the hills fade off in my sight, then I slept off again. Oh my God. At a point, it felt as though that was the farthest journey I had ever embarked upon in my life. Then suddenly I remembered I served in Benue, where I had to spend 14 hours trying to get to Otukpo. The almighty Benue, food basket of the nation. Here is another gist. If you are the type who likes munching and crushing cashew, I advise you move to Kwara State. So you really want to end the voiceover without talking about the distance between Ofa and Omuaran? That was another hectic and draining journey. I slept off many times. I can't even remember. I can't count it. The farther we went, the lesser we got to Omuaran. The journey was 3 times the distance between Lagos and Ogun. Sẹ́rí kíní àpò tẹ̀ ń rí lọ́ọ̀kan èédú ní bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ ẹ̀sẹ̀ ti rí èédú ní bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ àwọn tí ń ṣe business èédú nù ṣẹ̀ ti rí wọn èédú ní bẹ́ẹ̀nbẹ́ tó o bá fẹ́ ṣe business èédú kọ́ máa bọ̀ ń kó ara o kọ́ máa rà lọ́pọ̀ kọ́ sì máa tà lọ́wọ́n àbí kìí ṣe ohun tẹ́ fẹ́ nù. tó ibi àwíládé yìí o Ejiu Ile ṣe rí àpáta yìí. Àpáta yìí ní ìbáṣepọ̀ pẹ̀lú bí wọ́n ṣe tẹ ìlú Ìdó ní ìgbà ìwáṣẹ̀.
Tìlú Ejiu ti wà báyìí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtàn tá a gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn bàbá ńlá wa ó ti tó 400 years. Oríṣiríṣi ìlú ó ń yà látara àwọn ìlú ńlá. So ìgbà yẹn orílẹ̀ Ejiu yà lára tẹ Ilé Ifẹ̀.
Ní orí òkè tí àwọn bàbá wa tán gbéngbà àpẹẹrẹ wà tó jẹ́ pé àpẹẹrẹ yẹn kò dẹ̀ lè parí láéláé tó jẹ́ pé a bá lọ bẹ̀ ó ṣeé fi hàn báyìí tó jẹ́ pé a fojú ara wa rí bí àwọn àpẹẹrẹ.
A máa fi àpẹẹrẹ bí àwọn tó tẹ ìlú Ejiu Dó bí wọ́n ṣe gbé ìgbésí ayé wọn àti àwọn nǹkan tó ń lò eléyìí tí ó tọ́ka sí wípé lóòótọ́ ni wọ́n gbé ní orí òkè yìí. A máa fi àwọn àpẹẹrẹ yìí hàn ní ṣísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé nítorí wípé ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ ìgùn ó gùn kódà ó fẹ́ súnmọ́ wákàtí kan tí ò bá jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ìdí ni wípé ìtàn ńlá ló rọ̀ mọ́ bí a ṣe tẹ ìlú Ejiu Dó, pàápàá jùlọ bí àwọn ará ìlú yìí ṣe ń gbé ìgbésí ayé wọn.